Welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm going to share with you an AI method to earn online which is awesome. It's simple, it's free to get started with, you don't need skills, you don't need any experience, and I'll share with you resources for this and I'll walk you through the whole concept step by step. Because look, when it comes to making money online with AI, it's not new, it's just starting to come to the forefront of people's, on social media and people's minds, because AI starting to pop up everywhere with platforms like ChatGPT. But AI has been around for a long time, and people have been making money with this for literally years. There are channels on YouTube which have been automated using AI for 5 or 6 years now. Okay, but the method I'm going to share with you today is brilliant, if I say so myself. So I'll share with you the links, the resources, the websites, and everything you need to know about this method. Okay, so first of all, let's start at the beginning. Okay, I'm going to go over onto YouTube, and I'm not telling you you have to make your videos. I'm just going to come over here as a starting point. So over on YouTube, I've put in the keyword woodworking, and hopefully you can see that there's 110,000 people a month searching for woodworking. So how can we take this category or this niche and use it to make money online and from home? Well, we use AI software, and because we're using AI software, it's going to do the brunt of the work for us. Okay, so I'll share with you a website, and it's this one, and it's a moment in time. This is free. Okay, and how this works is over on Opus.pro. We can see here it takes one long video. From one long video, it will create 10 viral clips, and it creates them 10 times faster for us. Now, here's the cool thing. This AI software here, it will do all of the hard work for you. It will auto frame the actual video so it's in the correct format. It will go ahead and create the captions for you. It will also pick out the relevant points inside of this for you. And then if we scroll down here, you can see we can use this with YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and also Twitter. You could even put these videos over on websites if you wanted. You could go onto Pinterest and many more different platforms. Okay. Now, if I scroll down here on the left hand side, this is how this method works. Okay, but I want to show you this, so let me come down and show you that at this moment in time it is absolutely for free. So scroll down here. Is it free to use? Look, limited time offer. Opus Clip currently offer a free trial of 5 hours. Okay, and that will allow you to download 75 video clips. And at this moment in time, there's no other pricing on the website. They're saying they've got an early bird discount available in May, but at this moment in time, it is free. And then starting from June, they will then offer paid subscription plans. But at this moment in time, it's free. And moving forward, it's likely they will still offer a free version of this. Okay. So in terms of this is opus.clip. Okay. Now over on YouTube, we were looking at this over here, which was woodworking. So really quickly, I'm going to grab a video like this one here for 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to get the YouTube share link to this video. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click on share, and this is going to give me the long URL here. So I copy this like so. Now that's copied. Now I go back over to Opus here, and I drop that YouTube link in here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it. Now the one thing to know about this software over here is it says it works well with these types of videos. It doesn't particularly work well with music videos and also vlog. So I click on get clips for free. Now it will take me over to this page, and if I am not a member, it will ask me to either A, create an account, or B, sign in. So I will quickly sign into the software. So let me go ahead and do that. It's loading already. So it's remembered me from last time. Once we are signed into the software over here, it will then start to create the videos for us. Now, depending on the video that we have taken over from YouTube, it will either get this video in, well, anywhere from 4 minutes up to 8 minutes. So like this one here, you can see, look, credit usage is 5 minutes. So if I click on get clip, it's going to start creating these 10 videos. So there's the title, and it's basically just going to go ahead and work. So we can see, whereas the estimated waiting time is currently 10 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not going to have you wait around for 10 minutes. So what I'll do is I will stop. In fact, what we'll do is we'll move on to the next part, and then we'll come back to this. Okay. So whilst this Opus clip is creating these videos over here for us, we're going to go over onto a platform like ClickBank, and we're going to find a product which we can become an affiliate for. Okay, so over on ClickBank, I'm just in the marketplace. Now, if you're not familiar with this website, you can go ahead and create an account for free. It's available in 98 countries. If it's not available in your country, you can use any affiliate platform for this method. So in the marketplace here, I'm just going to type in, well, it's already there, look, woodworking. And then it's going to find any products with that keyword inside of it. So then I can find instantly products related to woodworking. And it shows you a snapshot over here of the price. On the left hand side, it tells you the name of the product, and we just scroll down. Now, from being in this category, in this niche myself, I know that Ted's Woodworking has been on here a number of years. It converts really well. And where is it? Ted's Woodworking. Okay, I mean, you can see the gravity score on here is it's above 100, so that's really good. It's got an initial conversion of $50, and then it's also got a recurring rebill on here. So what that means is you can send somebody over to this page one time, and you can earn a commission up front, and then you can also be earning a monthly income from recommending this product. You don't have to go with this one, by the way. There's lots of different products on this platform that you can use. But the whole reason why we go ahead and get an affiliate link is once we've got our videos and they've been created, we can then include a call to action in our videos. We can put a comment over on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. It doesn't matter, but we put a comment with our affiliate link, or we can send them to a landing page like something like Linktree, for example. So I can go on here, I'll show you this, I'll show you mine. So if I go over here, and again, this is absolutely free, you can go over to onto Linktree, and I'm sure you will have seen these over on Instagram in people's bios. You can create this for free, and you would have a landing page that looks like this. And then on here, you can say, get the best woodworking course, free resources for woodworking, etc. But the whole purpose at this moment in time is to get products related to our category or niche where we're having these videos created for us. Okay, so if I come back over here and let's just say we wanted to promote Ted's Woodworking, I can click on promote here, and then I can just click on create hop link, and then what will happen here is it will give me my own unique affiliate link. You can change it around and put in a tracking ID if you want, but that's a bit more advanced. For now, you just go ahead and create. So this link down here now, if I copy this and click on go to, it opens up into a new tab, and it's taking me over to the sales page with my own affiliate tracking link built in here. Okay, so that is one affiliate link that I could use. I could also go over onto Linktree and create an account for free and put that on here. So somebody would say on here, you know, the #1 woodworking plans available online. They click on here, it sends them over to the sales page. And again, any product that you're looking at over on ClickBank, if you just click here on the actual name of the actual product, it will open up in a new tab for you, and it will show you the actual sales page, so where you're sending the traffic to. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. So now we've got our affiliate link ready to go. We've got our videos being created for us. Let's go and look at that really quickly. They're not ready. So what I will do is I'll pause the video and we'll come back in a few minutes once this bit is done, because here's the cool thing. Once we have got our videos created for free, I'll then show you how to automate it so that once you post a video over on, say, YouTube or over onto TikTok, it automatically syndicates onto other networks. So you can have one video on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. All of these videos will be going on these social platforms with your affiliate links in underneath them. Okay, it's awesome. So let's pause the video and we'll come back. Okay, so we're back, and I realised after coming and looking at this a number of times, the video I'd pasted into here had zero talking in the video, so it wasn't working. So I went back over onto YouTube and I just grabbed this one over here, this video link, and I put it into the software, and it's gone ahead and created these videos for us. Now, here's the cool thing. Over here is our title. On the left-hand side is the video, so you can see exactly how it looks, and you can see up here how long it lasts. It also gives you a score over here. So this one here, as you can see, viral score. The likelihood that the video will go viral on short TikTok or Reels, it's got a high score. Now, that's not saying it's definitely going to, it's just giving you the best possible chance. And it tells you here, look, The video offers helpful information on making a planter and has potential for improvement with more engaging content. The hook sentence should be more attention grabbing, but the video is complete and informative. And you can come down here, it shows you the text inside of here. That's one video. Scroll down, here's a second video. Again, this one has a score of 81. Come down, score of 78. So you can basically go ahead and get these videos here, okay? Now, what you want to do at this point is you want to download the HD video clip. And once you've gone ahead and you've got your videos and you've got them downloaded, you can then move on to the next part, which is going ahead and sharing this content. Now, traditionally, what would happen is somebody would post a video on TikTok. Then they would go and download an app which is called Snaptic, which basically removes the TikTok watermark so that you can put it onto other platforms. Then they'd go over to that app, they would download it, then they would post it onto YouTube, then they would take the downloaded video from Snaptic and they'd post it onto Instagram, which can obviously be very time consuming. So what do I use and how do I do this? Well, once I've got my videos from here and I've downloaded them, I then come over here to repurpose.io. Again, I'll leave a link to this down below for you. You can try it out completely for free. But here's the cool thing. You can automate this so it goes on to all of these platforms. So what you can have it do is, once a video is posted on TikTok, it will take that same video and it will put it over here onto YouTube Shorts. It will then take the same video and put it onto Instagram or Twitter or basically any of these different services that you have it connected to. It's awesome and it's automated all inside of here. You can even schedule this. So for example, inside of here, I've got it when a video goes onto TikTok, it automatically uploads that video to Google Drive, so I never lose them. I then also have it connected to Instagram, but I'm not having it post automatically on there. I'm having it so I can go in and schedule this out. So let me quickly log in and I'll show you what it looks like on the back end, because again, you can do this absolutely for free. From memory, I think they've got a 7-day free trial with this, so you can try it out and test it. And then after that, it's about, I think it's about $5 a month. So inside of here, you can see I have TikTok to my Google Drive, I have TikTok to Facebook Reels, and then I've got TikTok to Instagram. Now, I have got this onto manual, but basically what I do on here is what I go into I'll show you, so I can come on here, I can click on view content, and then I can click on publish this onto Instagram when I like, or I can schedule this, and that's what I am doing, because you know some of the videos on here, they're a bit too long for Instagram, like this one here. It wouldn't work over on Facebook or over on Instagram. So I go through and I manually do those. Now if I go on to connections on the left hand side here, you can see these are the ones that I have currently got 4 in here, and if I wanted to add a new one, I just simply come on here and you can see all of the different options inside of here. It's awesome, and it will save you so much time and effort. So that is basically the process. So we're using this Opus clip, which is free. It will give you 5 hours worth of video clips. And what's that say? Refer a friend. If you refer a friend, well, I'll refer you. So I will grab it. Let's see what this says here. Refer a friend, get more views, bring your... Okay, so this link here, I will put a link to this down below. You can go ahead and click that and you will get some free hours to watch this. I'll get some free hours for referring you, so I'd appreciate it. And then I will also put a link down below to repurpose. But the method is, we decide on a category or a niche. We find videos over on YouTube, long form videos. We take those videos and we put them into Opus clip over here. Opus will then go ahead and create the 10 videos for us like this. We then download them and then we upload them onto TikTok or whichever platform. We then use Repurpose over here to automate it and syndicate that one video onto multiple platforms, and at the same time we have the potential to be earning money from Facebook and also TikTok and mainly YouTube, and then we're also potentially earning with affiliate marketing because we have our links from ClickBank. And look, this is just one method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. But either way, this method, it's awesome, and you can build out huge theme pages with this and lots more. And the fact that it doesn't take a lot of time, you know, it just begs the question why more people are not going down this method for making money online and from home. And here's the thing, this is just one way you can make money on these different platforms. Over here, I'll show you this really quickly. Over inside of the university, which is my training platform and also student platform. Sorry, it's a training platform, and we have a community with students in. Over here, we look at these different case studies. Now, we've just finished one over on Clapper, and this over here was done in a very similar way to what we're looking at today. So we look at what we're going to do, we look at the tools we're using for this, we find an offer, so an affiliate offer to promote this, and then we start creating the content and putting it on these platforms. And did it take a long time? No, it took 9 days. So you can see here, day 9 was our first sale. So this method that we are looking at today, it's simple, it's easy, and it just takes a bit of time and effort. But either way, whether you're looking at doing this with YouTube like this or affiliate marketing on here, the best thing I would say is, in terms of TikTok must-use tools, this over here, this Repurpose, it is absolutely awesome, and it will save you so much time and effort. So yeah, that's today's video. I'll leave links to everything down below. If you have any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.